But I'll charge the phone. If anything happens, I'll give you a call first.
Okay, so we got stuff floating out of our basement again for the second time in 2 years. Got some serious flooding. It looks like the water is coming out of the drainage pipes here. See that? It's just gushing out. And this river of water is just going down the street. Turn over here so you can see a little bit better. That's our trash can. You see it over there, and it has not broken over the creek over there yet. But I can hear it out there, and it may break. The last time it flooded, it got above that little landing over there behind the Rite Aid. It got about 4 or 5 inches above that. So far not as bad as it was last time, but the rain is still coming, so oh, here we go. Not very smart people. You shouldn't do that. Whoa, lightning.
Here comes the rain again.
Oh, here comes another one. Well, maybe we'll get the picture and go take the high road. Oh, maybe not. Not very smart. There goes our stuff out of the basement. Here comes some hail. And you can't see it very well, but it is starting to hail a little bit. There it is, flowing out of the drainage pipe again. That's quite crazy. Last time, it broke over the creek bank over there before it got really bad. So we're gonna keep a very close eye on that right now.